Next up is a whole kit of computers from EDATEC. They're from China and they're building up a whole range of Compute Module 4 products. They sent me a box with all of these, so I tested each one and they really cover the gamut. There's this tiny silent media box meant for TVs, and there's my new favorite DIN rail computer, the CM4 Sensing. Starting with the CM4 Media, this thing has a great finish. I mean, seriously, even the inside looks better than the outside of most hardware I test, and it comes in multiple colors. It's silent, except for these two stereo speakers, and it has a built-in camera and microphone. The speakers aren't amazing.
The chip on this new single-board computer could be the start of a computing revolution.
But they work. Probably better though just to plug in speakers or headphones into this built-in mini jack port. Mounting it somewhere where the camera position actually makes sense though might be tough. And also all the plugs aren't on the same edge, so it might end up looking a little messy on your desk. But overall, it's a neat package. Another tiny computer is the CM4 NANO, which I'd say is very close to a Pi 4, just with a more durable case and a few more interfaces. Moving on to my favorite device of the batch, this is the CM4 Sensing. It can sit on a desktop or mount on a DIN rail, and it has a lot of options that make it useful in a business or industrial setting. You can buy it with 4G LTE built in, and mine came with this Quectel modem. It accepts a range of voltage inputs and has a ton of opto-isolated digital I/O, along with CAN bus and a ton of RS-485 connections. I love the layout, and taking it apart, it's definitely going to be durable if you need to run one of these in a place that has a lot of dust, vibration, high noise levels, that sort of thing. And if you want the same thing but even better, there's the CM4 Industrial. It adds more digital I/O, 3 analog channels, a built-in relay, an extra network interface, and a programmable button. Just like the Sensing model, it can be mounted on a DIN rail and comes in a really nice metal enclosure. Rounding out the bunch, they also sell this CM4 I/O computer, which is literally a Compute Module 4 I/O board plus a Compute Module 4 in a box. Now, the box is pretty nice, and it includes a PWM fan, a power button, and a Wi-Fi antenna, but inside, it's just the same old CM4 I/O board I used for most of my testing. And this fan is quiet, but it is noticeable when it's running. The power button, it's a little mushy, but it works fine. The main selling point of the CM4 I/O computer is that you can buy one with a Compute Module 4 right now. Heck, even DigiKey has stock, or at least they did when I made this video. Hopefully they don't sell out now.